गुड मॉर्निंग। आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग वेल। ट्रेडिंग आई होप अच्छा चल रहा है और आप लोगों को गाइड करने के लिए आई एम हियर इज डी शानंद दास, मल्टी एसेट ट्रेडिंग एंड इन्वेस्टमेंट स्पेशलिस्ट। ये वीडियो जो मैं करने जा रहा हूं, आई एम गोइंग टू टेक अ लुक एट द टाटा स्टॉक्स वाया माय फाउंटेन ऑफ गोल्ड सेटअप। याद रखिएगा, दिस इज मोर ऑफ अ टेक्निकल अप्रोच। और मैं आज तक कभी भी किसी को रिकमेंड नहीं किया कि दूसरे का सुन के, इंक्लूडिंग मी, you trade. Never ever listen to others and trade. Listen to yourself. अगर जरूरत पड़े, take help from my setup. Subscribe to Fountain of Gold. But whatever you do, listen to yourself. Decide for yourself. Fountain of Gold is not a strategy. It is a language tool with the market. So in this video, first step, once again, the risk management is what to buy and what to buy. Select करने के लिए I go to indicators. Let me remove this. I'll go to indicators, invite only HD Rainbow Wave version 1, and I'll apply. There is a currently what I have to do, because it will be over in the next update. I have to remove trial testing was going on. This three candle number 3 I'll have to remove. So now Tata Steel. So let me symbolize alphabetically. I'll do it. So first is Nelco. Is it good? First question in the weekly chart. Is Nelco worth it? और वो पूछने के लिए मुझे जाना होगा Fountain of Gold नहीं, Cash Stocks weekly setup. So in the Cash Stocks weekly setup, I'll also need the SDRSI X. Yes, it is satisfying our criteria. But can we enter now? Obviously, no. With a red cap, that means in the daily chart, sell-off is going on. Daily chart अगर आप देखेंगे तो clearly दिखेगा sell-off is going on, and that is visible in the weekly chart in terms of red cap. So you want to avoid trading into Nelco right now. Nelco is satisfying our criteria. That means it will remain in the list, but currently it is not worth going into Nelco. In the daily chart, I'll wait for a rainbow buy signal before going into it. Tata Chemicals fertilizers weekly say Tata Chemicals 6 are not fertilizer, clear ho ja raha hai. It is not good, bearish. Let's look at Tata Communications. So Nelco will put it in our list. Tata Communication, it is gradually going up. हम लोग ट्रैकर के अलावा कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे because it is not satisfying our criteria. Largely एक gradual manner में ऊपर जाने का ही possibility ज्यादा लग रहा है. So only thing we can do is tracker or the FOMO quantity in this case. Similarly, Tata Consumer Products is showing strength. Once the breakout happens, it will be a clear good ride, but we don't have the momentum. I need the speed score greater than 10. So let me give an alert ki speed. Current speed is 8. I need greater than 10, and also keep an alert ki strength score, which is currently 67, मुझे चाहिए 70 plus. सो ग्रेटर देन 70 जैसे ही होगा स्ट्रेंथ स्कोर मुझे अलर्ट मिलेगा. स्पीड जैसे ही 10 के ऊपर जाएगा मुझे अलर्ट मिलेगा. दिस इज टाटा एलेक्साई, not satisfying our criteria like the others, and with background red, this one for now we'd like to avoid. Usually मैं देखता हूँ जिम पेज में stock gives good run and it stays in that moment for very long time. So unless my gem phase is there, I'll not be investing in a stock any big time. Similarly, Tata investment, not worth it. Background yellow, RS is bearish. We don't have the speed. I'll avoid Tata investment. But ये एक important base area है 6,000. If Tata drops and forms the buy signal near the base, that will be a good run in future. तो इसको हम लोग नजर तो जरूर रखेंगे टाटा इन्वेस्टमेंट, बट वी आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन दिस वन. टाटा मोटर्स heavily down. It is best that we avoid it in the daily chart. It has given a long exit way before this mega decline. That's why it is best to combine the weekly and the daily together. So Tata Motors far away from our criteria. Same with Tata Power, maybe similar to Tata Motors, it will fail at one point. We have a green candle, but we don't have other criteria. Even the short-term momentum is bearish. So Tata Power will avoid. Tata Steel, after the big fall, it is just flat. Further decline remains possible. Not thinking about anything long with the Tata Steel. नेक्स्ट हम लोग देख रहे हैं टाटा टेक्नोलॉजीज लिमिटेड. Also, we had a look at Tata Consultancy, which is, we saw it is consolidating and may give breakout in future. Now we're taking a look at Tata Technologies. Tata Technologies is rather more of an IPO entry. We are waiting for the monthly chart to turn green. That will be a good point to enter the Tata Tech. This is coming under our IPO strategy. वीकली में बाय सिग्नल मिला है, बट मंथली में अभी तक वी आर वेटिंग फॉर द मंथली. आई थिंक मैंने एक मिस्टेक कर दिया बताने में. आई थिंक आई कॉल्ड दिस पर्टिकुलर स्टॉक टाटा कंसल्टेंसी. वेरी सॉरी फॉर दैट. टाटा कंज्यूमर इज दैट. आई सॉरी, आई कॉल्ड इट बाय मिस्टेक टाटा कंसल्टेंसी. टाटा कंसल्टेंसी इज द IT firm. This is more of a consumer product. By mistake, I'm sorry, I have called this Tata Consultancy. This is more of a Tata Consumer. So Tata Consumer में हम लोग ब्रेकआउट का इंतजार कर रहे हैं. TCS is और Tata Consultancy और rather TCS, ये रहा TCS, Tata Consultancy. Sorry again for the mistake. So Tata Consultancy देखिए, it is not satisfying our criteria in weekly और डेली में जाते ही आपको जो bearish pressure आ रहा है स्टॉक में वो आपको क्लियर हो जाएगा. देखिए, इट इज नॉट गोइंग एनीवेयर, इट इज स्ट्रगलिंग इन अ फ्लैट जोन. फर्दर डिक्लाइन इन TCS remains very, very possible. Next is Titan. Titan will go to the weekly chart, not the daily chart. Titan remains good. It has good for a tracker. There is a possibility it will break this top. वो ब्रेकआउट से पहले ऑब्वियसली करेक्शन आ रहा है, which is natural. But since the score is not there, what we can do in this stock is only the FOMO quantity. मतलब छोटा क्वांटिटी से ही इसको गेम खेल पाएंगे. तो अभी भी दिख जो रहा है, बियर फैक्टर क्रॉसिंग. अदानी एंटरप्राइज इज मोर बियरिश, बियर फैक्टर क्रॉसिंग लेवल. सो अदानी एंटरप्राइज नॉट एट ऑल लुकिंग गुड. सो ओवरऑल टाटा में भी ऐसा नहीं कि बहुत सारे स्टॉक्स बढ़िया दिख रहे हैं. ऐसा जरूर है कि कुछ स्टॉक्स दे आर satisfying our criteria, will keep them under check, but none of the stocks are ready for current big investment. Tata Tech has some promise in the weekly chart, but it is not satisfying our IPO strategy monthly chart. Many other stocks like TCS, they are consolidating. If you look at Tata Consumer, they are consolidating, and they can be the counter that once again move up in future. Tata Consumer, which I confused with TCS for a moment, and this is Tata Consultancy or the TCS. It is also flat line consolidating. So currently non-good. Some can be good in future. Tata Consumer, TCS, Tata Tech के ऊपर ध्यान रखना होगा. What's happening with the weekly? Some are satisfying the criteria like Nelco, but currently not ready with a red candle in daily. Titan, it may go for a break attempt, currently at consolidating at this break level. So that's the status of the Tata group of company stocks. I hope this video will be helpful to you. अगर ऐसा हुआ है, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. All the best from my side. And as always, happy trading.